everyone, good afternoon. At ko ay nagbabalik. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and at this time we will cook a new dish. The dish that I'm talking about is so-called broccoli and shrimp. Okay, of course our main ingredients is broccoli. The next one is shrimp, medium shrimp. The next one is the spice, onions, garlic, a little bit of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and we will put also an oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. First thing that we need to do is we will boil the broccoli for 2 minutes. Right there is our pot. Here we will put in here and of course guys, I clean my hands. Okay, I wash my hands first before I touch the broccoli. All right, the next thing that we need to do is we will stir it so the broccoli will be cooked. We will set this one here. We will let this boil for 2 minutes. All right, now we will cover it. We will cover it and we will wait for 2 minutes. Okay guys. Alright guys, now it's time for us to check the broccoli, see if it's cooked. Alright, I think this is enough. We don't want this to be like too cooked, because you know we don't want this to be like rubber to eat. We want just like a little bit normal. Now we will strain this here, put in a strainer. Alright, here it's here. Okay, the next thing that we need to do is we have to heat the pot. And then we will get an oil. Of course guys, the oil that we need to use is the extra virgin olive oil, because this olive oil is a good oil for our body. Okay, now we will wait until this pot will be heated for a little bit. Now it's hot. We will put in oil, a little bit oil, and then after that we will get our our spice, and we will get our soy sauce, and we will get also our oyster sauce. Bye guys. Now the first spice that we need to put is our garlic. Alright. Now, smells good. I love garlic. The next thing that we need to do is this one, our onion. Alright. Alright guys, we already put our shrimp in here. The next one is the last one. I put already the soy sauce. The next one is we have to put a oyster sauce, like 2 spoons of oyster sauce. Alright, there you go. Then we will wait till it boil, and then we will put the broccoli. Alright, now let's start covering the pot. Okay, we will cover the pot, and then we will come back after 5 minutes. Okay. Alright guys, we will let this cook first, the shrimp, and then we will come back after 5 minutes. Then the last thing that we will put is our broccoli. Alright, I see you in a minute. The shrimp is cooked. Now we put our broccoli, because the shrimp is cooked already. Right. We will simply stir it so the spices will be mixed together. And okay, I think I will use 2 ladle because I have a problem. Turn around, pot. My pot keep turning around. Why? My pot had a big problem. Keep turning around, guys. Alright. This is it. Smells good. Now I think we will add a little bit water, so there's so it will be, now guys, we will add a little bit water, so it will be watery a little bit. Oh, I think it's, yeah, a little bit. So I like food that is watery, or whatever, there's a sauce in it. Alright. Yummy. I think we have to put a little bit of salt because it's now. Alright. Stir it, Miss Gemma, for a little bit. Mix it so the spice will be mixed. Right, guys. Right, guys. We will let this simmer for a minute. Then we will take this out from here. Okay. Alright, guys, we will come back after a minute, and then we will be done, and this broccoli will be transferred in a bowl. Okay, I see you guys in a minute. Alright, guys, we're back, and let's check our broccoli. Okay, now our broccoli is cooked. Here you go, guys, and then it's time for us to turn off the oven. Alright, now we will transfer this broccoli and shrimp in the big pot and right here. Okay, guys, there you go. So yummy. Alright, that's it, guys. This is our broccoli. It's done, broccoli and shrimp. Take note, guys, you know what, I usually cook 3 dishes every Sunday, because when my work started on Monday, I can't cook anymore because I will be tired when I came home from work. So this is what I did every weekend, every Sunday. Cook lots of food for the whole week, so I don't need to cook. Alright, guys. If you like my cooking style, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe my channel so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. Bye, everyone. I see you in my next video. Bye-bye.